In this video, we'll show you 2 ways to automatically send a message to customers who've made a purchase. You can use the first option if you use a CleverReach shop plugin. First, select the template, Respond to an order. In the first module, select React to any order. This way, you'll contact every customer who has made a purchase in your store. But when you just want to react to a certain product, you can specify that here. Just type in a product name to generate a reaction for. You can use asterisks as placeholders, like in *jacket*. Use the green module to design the email. If you're not using a CleverReach integration, go with the template called Use Tagging as a starting point. In this case, you'll need an interface developed so you can attach a tag to a customer when they make a purchase. In the first module, you'll specify the tag that your interface transmits. This is when the campaign starts. In the second module, you can set a delay time that works best for you. In the green module, you can create the email that is sent when a customer completes a purchase. You can find more articles in our Help Center.